Unit 4 Mixed Review number 1. Which comparisons are true? So the key to this is to look at each answer choice one at a time and to line up your decimals, adding zeros to make them the same. So I'm going to start with answer choice A, and we've got 0.73 and 0.725. I'm going to add a 0, a little ghost 0 to make those the same. And then you can either compare in chunks, looking at the whole number section first. We've got 0 and 0. And then the decimal, 730, 725. Well, 730 is more. And so looks like A is true. Or you can look at it a digit at a time. Starting with the ones place on this one, you've got 0, 0, no help. 7, 7 in the tenths, no help. 3, 2 in the hundreds. Well, 3 is more than 2, so that means 73 hundredths is more than 725 thousandths. And so again, A is true. So it's whichever one works for you, chunks or digit at a time. I'll switch back and forth. So next, let's look at answer choice B. B is 4.08 and 4.80. This time I don't need to add any zeros because they already have the same number of digits. So we'll go chunks on this one. 4, 4, no help. 8, 80. 80 is more, and so looks like B is false. Remember, the sign, the symbol should open towards the bigger number. If you want to think of it as, an alligator mouth, that is eating the bigger number. Alligators don't go on diets. They want the bigger number always. All of these are greater than signs, and so it's saying that the first number is greater than the second. All right, so now let's try answer choice C. 46.7, 46.52. Again, make sure your decimals are lining up. Add in zeros and then compare. And we'll go digit at a time this time. So we've got 4, 4, no help. 6, 6, no help. 7, 2, 7 is greater. And so that means 46.7 is greater, 46 7/10. And so this one is true. Answer choice D. We've got 60.21 and 6. Oh, I almost didn't line up my decimals. Start that back. 6.021. Oh, they're really messing with me now. Put in my 0. And this time I'll go chunks. 66. Using that decimal to break up the number. Well, 60 is more than 6. So looks like D, 60 and 21 hundredths, is bigger. And so it is true. And finally, answer choice E. 9.302. 9.32. Add on a 0. And let's go a digit at a time. 9, 9, no help. 3, 3, no help. 0, 2, 2 is bigger. And so that means the second number, 9 and 32 hundredths, is the bigger. And so this one is false. So going back to our question, which comparisons are true? Correct answer is A, C, and D.